Hello creative cooks, welcome back to another episode of the Creative Phoebe Cooks channel. I'm Phoebe and I hope you're doing well. It's Tuesday and I have another fabulous recipe for you. I like to call this an epic lentil salad because it just is. If you're not a fan of lentils or find it hard to cook or season lentils to perfection, this recipe will have you cooking lentils again and again with pure excitement. Add this epic lentil salad to your meal planners for the week because I'll be showing you 3 ways you can have this gorgeous salad not just for summer but all year long. I'm using green lentils for this recipe and that would be 250 grams of green lentils. Sort through them to make sure that they are free of pebbles and tiny rocks. You may use brown lentils, which cooks a few minutes longer than the green, and that's alright. When you're done, wash the lentils and soak them in plenty of water overnight to cut down on cooking time. After soaking, drain the water from the lentils and add to a cooking pot with 2 liters of fresh water and 2 teaspoons of coarse sea salt. Bring to a boil and cook the lentils for 12 to 13 minutes or until tender. If you did not soak your lentils prior to cooking, these green ones will cook for about 20 to 25 minutes or until tender. If cooking the brown ones, that would be about 25 to 30 minutes. Or even better, read your package's instructions so you're able to cook these lentils the right way. The lentils are done cooking and split, which I don't mind. Drain and set aside to cool in a salad bowl or meal prep container for at least 15 to 20 minutes or chill in the fridge for later use after the lentils have come to room temperature. If you prefer firmer lentils, opt for beluga lentils, which are known as black lentils, or lentils de Puy, French lentils as those are called, and simply follow your package's instructions to cook those lentils. And though they do keep their shape well after boiling, they do however take longer to cook compared to green or brown lentils. Red lentils, however, will not be ideal for this salad. They will turn mushy, but they're perfect to make a red lentil and oat porridge, which I shared a few months ago, to have as a nourishing breakfast. Be sure to check out that recipe in the description box below or the tag that just popped up on the left side of your screen. For this epic lentil salad, I was thinking of a more glamorous way to serve it, and French fries look perfect in my imagination. So here we go as I try making French fries in the oven. It's not the first or the second time, but I want to see what actually works, what method works for me before I share this recipe. So after blanching the fries for a few minutes, I'm seasoning the drained fries with olive oil, freshly chopped rosemary, garlic, and coarse salt combo, and a lovely dusting of black pepper. Just that nice chef kiss of spice on these French fries, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna bake these for 30 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And meanwhile, to get a full recipe and tips for this epic lentil salad, check out my blog for more information. While you're there, Be sure to download your free grocery planner and meal planners to help you stay efficient before meal prep day or meal prep weekend. And sign up for an individual online meal plan coaching session with my team and I to help you stay on track to achieve your fitness goals. I'll leave all the details to each of these in the description box below so that you can sign up for your spot before they get filled out. I got my greens, the fries are ready, and I am happy they turned out amazing, crispy, and inviting, and I could not stop munching on them. If you'd like the full details for this recipe, write fries, FRIES, in the comment section. Give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe so you get notified when I share recipes like these that will help you achieve your diet and fitness goals if that's something that's of interest to you. Thank you in advance. I'm going to be preparing the greens, chopping up the mint and the dill together with other aromatics that I'll be using to season the lentils. After all that chopping, grating, and slicing, let's put together our salad dressing, and that would include 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon zest, 75 ml of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You may opt for avocado oil. I'd say stay away from coconut oil just because it will solidify when you store it in the fridge. I just don't like the way it tastes after that happens. Add in the chopped red onion, which would be 55 grams of that, a handful each of chopped fresh mint and dill, 3 garlic cloves finely minced, 2 teaspoons of coarse sea salt, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You may also add in black pepper to substitute that for the cayenne pepper. Feel free to adjust the spice levels to suit your taste, but don't skip the fresh mint and dill. They make this lentil salad vibrant and full of life that you will love and aim to replicate in all your lentil recipes. Combine the chilled lentils and salad dressing until the lentils are well coated. Taste to adjust seasonings. This epic lentil salad is a perfect meal for weekly meal prep because dry lentils is super budget friendly, lend well to a variety of cooking methods, and don't take long to cook and are really easy to flavor. And when done right, that means cooking with dry lentils instead of canned. They also provide a good dose of nutrients for your well-being. You may serve this epic lentil salad warm or cold, and here are a few suggestions I'll be having this week. Serve it with roughly chopped beets and those french fries. This right here is an absolute balanced bowl, and you can add in some avocado for healthy fats. And when you want to change things up a bit, pair the lentil salad with a bowl of warm millet for a satiating lunch meal, or stack the lentil salad on a green spread on bread to make a heaping green sandwich that you can have after an intense workout with some more hydration. My chickpea bread sandwich will be perfect for this. Hint, extra protein to support the building of those muscles. I definitely will be needing more of that. That's 3 suggestions, and I'm excited to know in the comment section which one you will try first. Creative Cooks, thank you so much for watching. Chat with you in my next episode. Goodbye.